In the battlefields of Ukraine, a revolution in warfare is unfolding. Russian tanks and armoured vehicles, once symbols of military might, now face an unprecedented challenge. The T-72, a mainstay of the Russian armoured forces, has become a prime target for modern anti-tank weapons and drones.
Ta pierwsza to jest dochodzenie ślizgania, ta druga jest taka, która blokuje. Jak tam będzie tłuste i tak dalej, to one będą przeskakiwały, rozumiesz? Tak. Przykładzie nie zdąży rozłączyć i tak dalej.
Built in the 1960s, the T-72's design harbours a fatal flaw. Its automated loading system exposes ammunition, turning the tank into a powder keg waiting to explode.
Reszta jest zaprogramowana na K. Przełóż na K.
Enter the Javelin, a fire and forget guided missile system. With its top attack mode, it exploits the T-72's weakest point, its thinly armoured top. Alongside the Javelin, the NLAW proves equally lethal. Effective at ranges from 20 to 600 metres, it's devastating in urban combat. But it's not just missiles. Cheap, nimble drones have become the new nemesis of Russian armour. These unmanned aerial vehicles can spot, track and destroy tanks with pinpoint accuracy, often catching them completely exposed. The result? Catastrophic losses. Russia has lost thousands of tanks in Ukraine, a significant portion being T-72s. This conflict has exposed the vulnerabilities of traditional armoured warfare in the face of modern, asymmetric threats.
І ми підіймаємо одразу дрон, мінус одна техніка, скидаємо добили піхоту, десант, який скинувся звідти.
Despite efforts to adapt, like welding makeshift cages atop of tanks known as cope cages, these measures have proven largely ineffective. The Russian army has also introduced the Turtle tank, a new infield adaptation of the T-72, surrounded by sheet metal to protect it from drone attacks. As the conflict rages on, one thing becomes clear: the age of invincible tanks may be coming to an end. In the face of javelins, NLAWs and drones, even the mightiest armour struggles to survive on the modern battlefield.